हेलो स्टूडेंट्स। हम लोग यहाँ पे क्या देख रहे हैं? हम लोग यहाँ पे देख रहे हैं एक सर्किट, है ना। तो हम लोग आज सीरीज और पैरेलल के बारे में पढ़ने वाले हैं और उसमें बहुत सारे डाउट्स थे, तो मैं उसको ही सॉल्व करने वाला हूँ। हेयर वील बी विजुअलाइजिंग फिजिक्स टोटली विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस वेबसाइट कॉल्ड एज PHET FET। ठीक है, सो यू कैन ऑल्सो मेक योर ओन सर्किट्स। आई हैव मेड हेयर अ सर्किट, सो आई विल शो यू हाउ टू मेक दिस सर्किट। ठीक है, ओके। So firstly, these are the symbols that we use, right? Resistor, light bulb, battery, fuse, है ना, and then wire, battery. These all are the things that we use. ठीक है, the first thing which I take is a battery. Okay, I take a battery, then I take bulbs, or rather I will take resistor. I take resistor. Okay, I take resistor. Two resistors I took, right? Two here. Okay, so we'll construct a circuit. You take the wire and you just keep on joining, right? Okay, you joined it here, joined it here, make it straight, joined it here, join it here. Okay, okay, take this here and then join it over here, make it a bit straight. Okay, okay, हो गया। अभी क्या करना है? अभी you take the wire over here and join it with the battery, है ना। ठीक है, we'll take one key also, switch, which we say we'll take a switch. Is it clear? And we take further wires, and we need one ammeter also to measure, so let's take the ammeter also. Okay, this is my circuit. It's completely made. You can see in this part, right? Here we have resistors, right? Okay, clear. So this is R1, this is R2, this is R3, and this is R4. Okay, you can say like this. Now you can completely see, if you join the key, what you see, key, the electrons are passing, right? The electrons are passing. To be more clear, the electrons are passing negative to positive, है ना? Negative to positive, the electrons are passing. So what you can see कि here one resistance is there, here one resistance is there. So shall I put one ammeter here also? Okay, I will put one ammeter here also. So let's put one ammeter here also. And then join this here also. You did one ammeter here also. Abhi one more ammeter I need. So I'll join it to here and then join this here. Okay, clear? So what you can see कि these two resistances, है ना, सेम नंबर, जो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स यहाँ से पास हो रहा है वही यहाँ से ही पास हो रहा है ना। इफ यू टॉक अबाउट कन्वेंशनल डायरेक्शन ऑफ करंट, so what you can see, the conventional direction is in this direction and electrons is in this direction. So it explains you clearly that the conventional direction is opposite to the direction of electron flow. Electrons are moving negative to positive and the conventional direction of current is positive to negative, right? So we'll talk about currents. We'll taking current. Okay, so what you can see ki if the resistance, if this is the path है ना, so this resistance and this resistance are having only one path, so obviously the current flowing through these two resistances will be the same, right? So I will now change the value of resistance. It was 10, I will make it 5, right? I will make it 5 ohm. Okay, I made it 5, right? So now you can see the current that is passing, है ना, total current that is passing is 1.05. so this is 5 ohm. Let's see how much. This is 10 ohm, this is 10, and this is 10. Okay, so let's make all resistances different value. This 5, this 6. Let's make it 7. Let's make it 8. Right? So this is 5, 6, 7 and 8. So now what we'll do, है ना, the current flowing through this, to give you a better idea, what I will do, I will add an ammeter over here also, right? So it will give you an idea. I will add an ammeter over here also. Clear or not clear? So this gives the current flowing through this. This gives the current flowing through this. This ammeter gives the current flowing through this resistance, and this ammeter gives the current flowing through this resistance, and this ammeter gives me the current flowing through the all the resistance. मतलब total current flowing through the circuit. ठीक है? Okay. As you can see, these two resistances, despite they are having the different values, the current flowing through the two resistances are the same. These two resistances are same current is flowing through both of them. So what does this show? This shows that because these two resistances are in series, because if we are at this point and we want to go to this point, there is only one way I can go. There is no other way. So obviously these two are in series, and these two are also in series, but these two resistances are in parallel with the equivalent of these two resistances, because here I move from here to here, and from here I can go by this way and come back, or I can go back from this way and I can come back. Clear? So this is the thing. So these two resistances, the equivalent of these two resistances is in parallel to the equivalent of these two resistances, right? So the only rule you have to think, the same current is flowing through the two resistances. Yes, so these two are in series, but the voltage across them will be different. This I will show by this voltmeter. Clear? I will show you by this voltmeter. Okay, let's keep one end over here. Voltage across the resistor you have to measure. Okay, the voltage across this resistor is 4.09 volt. Okay, now let's see across this resistor. It is 4.91 volt. Clear? Different? Okay, let's see here. Is 4.80, and here 4.20, right? So obviously we can observe that the voltage across all the four resistances are different, है ना? Here it's 4.20 and here it's 4.80. So the voltage across these two resistances are different. So if two resistances are in series, the same current is flowing through, but the voltages are different. Same case over here. 4.09 and 4.91. So it is different, right? But one thing, see the potential difference between these two ends is 9, है ना? And here also it will be 9, right? So this is the thing, because potential difference that was here and that was here is 9, right? So applied potential difference is 9, so that this potential difference between this end and this end is also 9, because this end is directly connected to this end and this end is directly connected to the positive end. Okay? The same thing, this end is also directly connected to this negative end and this end is also directly connected to positive end. So obviously the voltage that will be showing you is the same. Is it clear? So this is what is the thing you have to understand, series and parallel. Clear? So this is the thing that you have to keep in your mind while solving any question. The concept is right away here, because you can't see any resistance between this end and this end. So obviously the potential of this end will be same as this end. This end will be same as this end. See, this is also 9 volt. So this end and this end are at same potential, but this end is not the same potential as this end. Why? Because these two are in series. Clear? Right? That's what is the thing. This is what you have to understand. I hope you have understood. Thank you.